Hello everybody, this is Chris Rushnut24K on Twitter. Today I'll be unboxing the Huawei MateBook and the Huawei MatePen. And we also have something else, but we'll show that in just a minute after we get this unboxed. This is the 4GB of RAM, 128GB storage tablet from Huawei. And it gives you a breakout of how to use the cables and how to charge things. So we'll pull out the tablet first. Comes with this nice pull tab, makes it easy to take it out of the box. So there's the headphone port, and then here's the base. So there's a smart connector here. You have the USB Type-C charging port here, and then you have several buttons for volume up and down here. And it's very thin, and the thinness does not change throughout. So it's super thin on this side, super thin on this side, as well as the top. And you have speakers on the top, as well as the power button. Now this mentions not to turn it on unless I've charged it first. There's a little notice right here. So I won't be turning it on right now, but we'll follow up with another video when we can. Inside of the box further, we have a few other smaller boxes. So in this box is the wall charger. So this has optimized USB-C charging capabilities. Simple 2-prong charger. And in this box, underneath it, you have two cables. So this cable is a USB Type-C to a micro USB. And then this is a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. So both can be used. And inside of here is some quick start documentation, how to get started, how to use the pen, how to plug it in, etc. And then this piece right here is a converter. As you can see, the converter piece right there in the diagram. So that's a micro USB port there, and a standard USB port here. So that's for the conversion. And that's it for this box. And now we'll go over here. So this is the Huawei MatePen. And I like that Huawei has included these cool flip tab covers. So this is the pen. And the pen has multiple buttons. As well, one in the back, and then the tip here as well. And then inside is safety information and warranty as well. So this is the Huawei MatePen, and I like how it feels. Definitely has a nice weight to it. So we can't wait to use this with the tablet and then give you our impressions. Please follow 24K on Twitter. This is a product for review from Huawei. They sent it recently to check out and unbox. And then we'll show you the tablet one more time. This is the Huawei MateBook. And it has an Intel CoreM 3 processor. Again, this is the 4GB of RAM, 128GB storage Huawei MateBook. So you've just seen the Huawei MateBook unboxed, and now this is the Huawei MateBook Portfolio Keyboard. So we'll get into this box. So you can see the multiple angles and ways that you can use this. It's not only a keyboard, but it's also a cover. So again, with the nice easy flip top pull out tab, you have your documentation down here at the bottom. Open this up. So the tablet comes in black that we just showed you, and then this Portfolio keyboard is also in black. And it had a smart connector on the bottom. So we'll show you where that plugs into this. So there's some magnetics going on right there. And you can see the keyboard. Obviously, keyboard, nice full-size keyboard, keys. These are probably better than the MateBook, the thin one that's out there. Nice touchpad with tapping as well. And then this is the smart connector option. So you can put it like this. Multiple ways you can put this. You can fold it up like that, and then the tablet sits right here. So this is the Huawei MateBook Portfolio Keyboard. You saw the Huawei MateBook and the Huawei Pen. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Thank you.